Teka lang kaibigan, wag mo munang scroll. Bago ka pumasok sa trabaho at sa school, always remember to start your day with a moment of reflection and prayer. Set aside a few minutes to thank God for the new day and seek His guidance. Sabi nga sa Matthew 6:33, "But seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you." By putting God first, you invite His wisdom and strength into your day, allowing you to tackle your tasks with a positive mindset and resilience. Sa kabila ng mga hamon, ng mga pag-aalala, keep in mind that with God's presence, you can find